Plunket's been around for about 110 years now. We now work to help families, Whānau and extended families, taking care of children from the age of 0 to 5. We have 400 offices around the country, then also Plunket Line being a core service that we provide for people with urgent need. Plunket decided it needed to review its printing. From that, we effectively went to market to look at the best options available to us. Canon came across, I think, the only vendor with a ready-to-run cloud-based printing model. Cloud printing solutions meant that we can do it anywhere. That was not on offer from the previous vendor. The change from the previous provider has been like night and day. The improvements we've had at Plunket with the uniFLOW system and Canon printing has, for my service desk team, genuinely meant they have less to do with printing problems. Staff just print. They don't make comments about printing. I don't hear the printers aren't working, the printer needs ink, the printer has a paper jam, because we were very used to those, all of those. It has provided a cost savings to the organisation, both in printing cost and operational cost. We no longer have to worry about installation of different drivers for different devices. We have a single driver. We no longer have to worry about servicing. Having watched Canon's engineers deliver that service to frontline staff in the same way that we would expect from our service desk is fantastic. Having partners that are willing to help us on that journey is a big one for us. Plunket's move to uniFLOW with Canon has meant that our frontline nursing staff are now able to focus on babies, family and Whānau, and providing a better service. They don't have to worry about printing anymore, it just happens. They don't have to worry about where they are, they can just print.